eyes on this lineup of classics. We got the Harley Davidson FXR, the Full Dresser, the Triumph Rocket 3, and the one we're going to focus on in this video. These 4 bikes are from a private collection owned by my friend Big Dog in Prospect. He actually aged out. He's in his 70s and called me up and said it's time to hang up the helmet, time to find my bikes new homes. So that's my job. I'm going to find new homes. I think the lights make it. I guess I'll say I saved the best for last. He bought this bike brand new, the VTX 1800. If you're a VTX aficionado, you know how much work it is to put all the accessories and how much money it is. The kit alone that he installed on this bike was $7,000. It included this massive rear aluminum mag wheel with this massive rear tire. Now he nicknamed the bike. Actually, he didn't nickname it. One of our friends from YouTube nicknamed it Bigfoot. His name was Big Dog. So and the reason he called it Bigfoot, look at the size of the rear tire on this thing. It's got the custom wide swing arm, the custom shocks, the custom mag wheel, the custom fat fender. It's got the custom Corbin saddle on here. It's completely tricked out front to back. It was $7,000 for the kit. He had $17,000 in receipts on this bike since he bought it brand new. He bought it brand new, and look at all of it. Look, I mean, he had 4 beautiful world-class motorcycles, all of them the best in their categories. And this VTX 1800 has a cult following. It's one of the biggest, baddest muscle cruisers, V-twins, that Honda ever made. Starting at the front with this bullet freight train style headlight with the upside down inverted shower forks. It has a matching front mag wheel. These are really expensive set of mag wheels with the Metzler tires on there. The calipers are the Nissan calipers with the billet matching rotors. Front and rear rotors are all matching custom billet to match the wheels. Guys, this thing is freaking beautiful. It has this Pro Moto billet. It's not a Kuryakin. This is a Pro Moto billet intake, which is like a ram air charger, and it has butterfly valves on it. Let me fire it up and demonstrate that for you. But before I do that, come around this right here. You can see it has the chrome floorboards. It's got the chrome license plate relocation kit, and it's just an absolutely massive wheel and tire. Massive 240 by 40 by 18 with a massive billet mag wheel. Look at this thing. It's like a work of art. It is a work of art. This bike is absolutely a showpiece. If you stand back and look at it from this rear quarter view, it just looks straight up badass. And the best part about it, when you first see it, it looks factory. It's done that well. The original factory black paint works super well with the billet polished aluminum mag wheels and rotors and all the other accessories and upgrades he's done on the bike. He also did a custom exhaust on the bike, as you can see, and it just sounds freaking amazing. Tire kit, the billet mag wheels, the custom brakes, the custom shocks, the Pro Moto billet intake, and the custom exhaust. The bike kind of it has an understated elegance, but you know when you're looking at it, it's badass, and when you hear it, you know it's a wicked machine. Let me fire it up. Listen to this thing purr. Show them the lighting kit on the other side. It's got a light underneath the light up the wheel.
Oh yeah.
Something wicked this way comes. This thing is nasty. Typical Honda quality. This thing will run forever. adult owned, since one owner, since brand new. $7,000 just in parts on the upgrades, $18,000 invested, plus a bunch of time. Lavished it with love and care and attention since it was brand new. And you know, if you've been looking for an 1800, the coolest part about it is this looks like a factory bike. It looks, but it's fully custom. It's got a lot of really tasty upgrades on it. It performs. This is a bike you can get on the highway. You can ride this thing anywhere all day long in super comforts, counterbalanced V-twin, low vibration, tons of power, tons of torque, tons of horsepower, more than anybody will ever need. You're not going to outgrow the VTX 1800. Trust me, this one's a diamond. It's a Honda. It's Kaplan America approved. If you're a friend or family member and you want to buy a bike, just hit the buy it now. This one is an absolute freaking diamond, and I can't replace it for what we're selling it for. No way. Just the parts and labor alone to build this kit are super expensive, and it was the best of everything. The 2-in-1 Roadmaster exhaust sounds freaking awesome. The bike's just badass. So, if you have any questions about it, give me a call. But trust me, this one will be gone